Hi, I am Taro Naruka, and in this video I am going to describe you about gallbladder detoxifier pills. Cleanse the gallbladder and flush stone particles painlessly. Today, you can find an astounding range of herbal products in online stores boasting cure from gallstone problems. Certain herbal products are found to be very effective for the treatment of gallstones. Let's see here how gallbladder detoxifier pills cleanse the gallbladder and flush stone particles painlessly. Peppermint leaf products are renowned for their muscle relaxing properties. It reduces the size of gallstones and reduces the inflammations caused by gallstones. Similar to peppermint leaf extract, we are now going to see how a catnip herb can stimulate the disintegration of gallstones from body. Catnip herb nourishes stomach and improves digestion without inducing any side effect on user. Catnip herb can induce several health benefits on the body of person. Today, catnip herbal tea is a common cure recommended to get relief from health troubles like gallstone inflammation. How to cleanse liver naturally? This is a common question heard from people. Ginger root tea is a fine solution for this question. It reduces the aggregation of platelets naturally. Promoting digestion and flushing out of toxins from body are the two main health benefits of including ginger root tea in daily diet. Similar to ginger root tea, fennel seed tea is another cure for gallstone complaints. It reduces muscle cramps and promotes digestion. As per research, fennel seed tea is found to be very useful to flush out toxins from body. For the best health result, feel free to include fennel seed in daily diet. Cramp bark, renowned for health benefits, is another cure for gallstone troubles. Apart from treating gallstones, you can also use this herbal cure for treating high blood pressure level. Barberry bark, enriched with amazing health benefits, is another cure for gallstones. It improves white blood cell formation and reduces the inflammations caused by gallstones. Barberry bark, enriched with amazing health benefits, is another cure for gallstones. It improves white blood cell formation and reduces the inflammations caused by gallstones. As per studies, berberine present in barberry bark is found to be very beneficial to promote bile flow. It acts on liver cells and treats a wide range of health issues. Barberry bark is an apt choice for all in search of a safe cure for treating liver health issues. Apart from medication, lifestyle plays a great role in curing liver health issues. Lack of physical activity is reported to be as a main cause of many health issues. Hence it is recommended to do daily exercises for at least 30 minutes per day. Keb Clear, composed of renowned herbal ingredients, is a cure for many health issues. Flushing out toxins from body is a main feature of Keb Clear capsule. You can get this herbal product from many online stores. It improves disintegration of fat cells and prevents the formation of gallstones. Keb Clear is an apt choice for all in search of a safe natural cure for treating gallstones. 100% herbal composition makes this product free from adverse action. You can directly intake Keb Clear with milk or water. Healthy lifestyle with regular inclusion of Keb Clear is a safe remedy for treating many health issues. Buy Keb Clear capsules from worldwideweb.naturalhealthsupplements.com.